Hi guys, let's talk about cake filling. There are times you don't want to to trim your cake so much. Maybe because it's small and you don't want to make it smaller or whatever. What do you do in situations like that? You do what we call cake filling. And how do you do this? You can see the space here. Okay? How do you do this? You pick up a fresh cake. Probably part of the cake you baked. There are times that when I bake, I remove a little chunk of it just for filling. Okay? You just take a piece of that cake, you just be cutting it small. Use it to fill that open space. Then you put a little of the crumbs in a plate, add buttercream to it, mix it. It will be thick. Mix it and use it to plaster the surface of that place that you filled. Don't just leave it open like that. Plaster the surface. Then once it is smooth, you now trim the remaining part of your cake. Everything will now be equal. Cheers! And I want to say a big thank you to everyone recommending my page. I can see you. I'm seeing the recommendations. Thank you so much. I love you. So see you guys in the next class. What are we going to talk about? Till then, cheers.